everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Steffi, and I'm a personal trainer and sports nutritionist. And I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade pumpkin spice syrup. It is not a secret that I'm a big fan of the fall season. I don't know if you can see in the background. My apartment is like the definition of a fall season. I have like an orange couch, yellow mustard, the throw blanket. My whole bedroom is like the green color. So I am a fall person. It is the season to be jolly. So, for today, I'm going to teach you how to make a pumpkin spice syrup. It might come out a bit thick, but it's okay because it's made from pumpkin spice puree. It might come out a bit thick, but you can always add some water to it to make it more dilute. But even if it's a bit thick, it's gonna blend right into your coffee. And if you use a frother, you won't even feel like there's like pieces or something. It's just going to melt into your coffee. I also wanted to give you a bit of background about myself. I'm a sports dietitian. I used to work with a Division One basketball team back in Beirut, where I grew up, where I got my degree and everything. I worked in a gym for 3 years, where I also was a personal trainer and a sports dietitian as well. And ever since COVID happened, I moved my work online. So I'm right now still an online personal trainer and nutritionist. And I also moved to Toronto, sorry. I also really enjoy working online, making these videos, teaching people about what I know. That's a bit about me. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. We're gonna use a small saucepan. You're gonna add to it half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I used also these spices mixed to make the pumpkin spice, and I added 1.5 teaspoons on medium heat. You're gonna start by whisking and waiting for it to boil. And once it starts boiling, leave it 8 to 10 minutes till it has a liquid consistency. It can be a bit thick, but that's okay. As for the coffee, I highly recommend you place the puree in a frother with your milk. You can use any type of milk, and then you add it to I use a double shot espresso. And that's your pumpkin spice latte. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.